Picture this. Barry the bear is stuffing his den with acorns, piles and piles of them. He thinks he's the smartest bear in the forest, saving for a rainy day. But what if Barry and every other bear doing the same thing is actually making the whole forest poorer? Here's the deal. When all the bears decide to hoard their acorns, our money, nobody is spending them on honey, our goods. Suddenly, the bees, our businesses, are staring at full hives with no customers. The local fox running the honey shop, his income dries up. The bees have to produce less, which means fewer jobs, and soon nobody has any acorns to save anyway. This whole sticky situation has a name, the paradox of thrift. It's the wild idea that while saving is smart for one bear, everyone saving at once can crash the entire forest economy. And this isn't just a fairy tale. Back in the 1970s, a babysitting club in Washington, D.C. created its own money for parents to trade for childcare. But then everyone started hoarding their babysitting coupons to save them. Guess what happened? The entire system collapsed. No one would spend, so no one could earn. They literally saved themselves into a recession. But wait, it gets worse for Barry's giant pile of acorns. First, there's inflation. Over time, that pile of acorns starts to lose its value. Next year, one acorn might only buy you half a jar of honey. Second, he's missing out on huge opportunities. Instead of sitting on them, he could have invested those acorns with a clever fox starting a new venture, maybe one that makes that super fancy lavender honey, and grown his stash even bigger. So what's a bear to do? It's not about never saving, it's about balance. Sometimes the wise-old owl, our government, steps in to get acorns moving again. But the real lesson is that money is like water in the forest. It needs to flow. Saving for winter is smart, but spending and investing is what keeps the honey sweet and the whole forest buzzing. Don't just hoard your acorns, make them work.